Rats. Okay. So I posted something on my story way earlier today. It said tea time at 6 p.m. And it is now 25 minutes past 8. I just want you guys to know that tea delayed is not tea denied. You hear me? Tea delayed is not tea denied. But yeah, today I was getting like all glammed out, looking nice, looking snazzy, pedazzy, you know. Yes. So first of all, what I'm going to do, right, is I'm going to start off by apologizing yesterday for my story that made 7,500 people come. My apologies. But it was fun, you know, us gathering as a family, like I say we are. That's first things first. Right. Then you were asking, Katleho, you were asking, where is Guluva? Even me, I don't know. Even me, I don't know. Hey, Ashley, you look so pretty. Thank you so much. I appreciate that. Yes, okay. Your station shows. I've been on podcasts. And everybody that's been on the same show that I was on, that doesn't come. Yeah, just don't trust people with such things anymore. I don't want to name names because I'm not the type of person. I'm very real. I'm very honest. I'm very authentic. I can name names, right? I can't be like that. But I'm like, I don't care enough anymore to do so. Nah. No account numbers, guys. None of that sort. I just feel really bad for the people that actually put their money in there with the thought of, okay, they're doing it for a certain reason. And then now other people take it out. That is so wrong, you know? That is so wrong. But don't worry. Don't worry, guys. Like, nothing goes unseen by God. Absolutely nothing. No tear falls that God doesn't see. Don't even worry. Love you guys too. I ignored it long time ago. I was like busy. No, I'm not gonna name. I won't do that. I'm just talking from a point because it really hurts to see like people actually, you know. And to be honest, just for me, I said my brand must be honest, it must be authentic. And if it's not, then it's fine. Then I can do it out. Because I'm only going to be honest about everything that I tell you guys. Literally. Like, the only time I'll lie is when I talk to my parents. I sometimes lie when I talk to my parents because I'm scared of them. But I don't really lie to other people because, like, what am I scared of them? Because you only lie when you're scared. When you're trying to hide something. And, yeah, I fail at lying. I fail at trying to be someone else. I really do. Yeah. I really fail at trying to be other people. I also fail at being fake. So I was like scared of me doing this live. They're like, you're gonna say, I'm not gonna say nothing, guys. Just wanna say thank you. It's been an amazing one and we out after this. Yes, I just only want to be honest. Like, I know there's a lot of things that happen, people, but me, I'm not about to lie to you because I only lie to my parents because I'm scared of them. Like, no, not everybody else. Heck no. What the heck? Yes. No, that's it. Hi, nah, cool. We got you for life, even if they can take it. They can take it. My brother got. We live and we learn, guys. You see, in life, there's things that happen. Like, there's hurdles. And you kind of had to jump over those hurdles to get to a smooth part all the time. But there's never going to be a hurdle you jump over and then it's just going to go smooth sailing. As you elevate in life, you're going to get bigger problems. And I just see that as one of those things. I'm elevating in life, so I'm facing bigger problems. And that's just the way it is. I'm actually excited to face bigger problems because that means I'm becoming a bigger person. Yeah. And actually nobody tells me what. Okay, I listen to people, right? I listen to people a lot. But nobody's going to tell me not to tell the truth or to tell a lie. That's one thing. That's one thing. Let me see. What? How you can't go back on Instagram? You can't. Discernment. I can't get over your new. Looks good. It looks good. And by the way, I've been getting death threats. I'd like to see you try, because only God can kill me. Hey? I'd like to see that happen. You see the worry in my eye? Not happening. Can you look smoke?